Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's ADUNNI'S of ADUNNI'S Pace. If you're new on my channel, you're welcome, and if you're an OG, you already know how it is. You will definitely find this video helpful. If you're new, I am a content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria, and I share hair tutorials to help you look good while saving money. Anything hair, you find it on this channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys scarf styles that you can style with your braids and you will still be looking good. I'll be using raw silk, and currently raw silk varies from 3,000 to 5,000 naira in the market, depending on where you're buying it from and depending on the quality of raw silk that you're buying. Now we're going to get straight into the video. I'll make sure it's in depth for you guys to see. I have a mirror in front of me so I can see what I am doing. I had my hair done almost 10 days now, and there are times that we make hair and you're not ready to take it out because you still want to enjoy the style, or you still want your hair to, like, you're not ready to take it out and you might want to go out with scarf. So this video is for you. And if you're not a scarf girly, watch this video. I am sure that at the end of this video you'll find one or two scarf styles that you want to try out. I'll measure it and leave the size on the screen for you guys to see. Also, I realized that at the markets now, like up until a few days ago that I went to buy like new raw silk, most of them are pre-cut and like the tips have been sewn, so you really don't need to buy it out. Like they're already, you just need to buy it and you're ready to use. So guys, that will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my very next video, and don't forget to please click the subscribe button and share this video with someone if you find it helpful.